Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. AVAX continues to push a little higher here today in line with the overall market, but we haven't broken above this descending trend line. So a break above the descending trend line would be that would be the next signal that, let's say, a larger rally is unfolding. And then if that happens, the next range that we can look at is the range between $37 and $44. As mentioned in yesterday's update, this is the next pivot. We've basically now seen the price break above the initial resistance, which is here 33.33. So I'll take that box out. It's not relevant anymore. Market rallied above resistance. We see a little bit of impulsive price action here. And however, that does not yet invalidate any further downside. It seems like, yes, a more aggressive wave 4 at the moment could turn into something, let's say, more bullish, but that could still be a larger B wave correction, for example. However, to really confirm that something different is going on other than a fourth wave, for example, a large B wave correction, we would need to see a break above the descending trend line next. We have certainly a short-term uptrend now, the way this looks, but we need to understand which support level now needs to hold for this uptrend to continue. Essentially, what we need to see eventually, it's a 5-wave move up. At the moment, I don't have a 5-wave move up yet, okay? So I need to see a 5-wave move up and a 3-wave pullback. Then we can talk about, okay, maybe the overall low is already in. I am not impressed of this structure until I see that though, okay? So to make that clear, so far this is still trending down overall. Short term, yep, uptrend, but the overall trend seems to be down. We're still making lower highs and lower lows. So it's worth understanding that, yep, next resistance is the descending trend line. We might break it with that momentum. And then the next level, as I said, starts at $37, then $39.79, $44.08. And then we have structural resistance here. This is going to be important. This B wave top at around $41.50. But I don't see much clarity here at the moment. So it's basically just tracking the waves until we get a decent setup. Potential setup that I see is if we make another low, the dip into the support area could be a potential buy area. Or if we see a 5-wave move up instead of a corrective rally, then a 3-wave corrective pullback, we might be looking at something more bullish already from here. But I'm not impressed at the moment and it needs to show it to us. To highlight what we need to see to confirm something more bullish, we have to use the Fibonacci levels. We can draw them here. And that tells us basically what we need to see. So yellow is short-term bearish. White is also short-term bearish, just could allow for a bit more of a rally. But essentially what we need to see is a 5-wave move up in a wave 1, 2. Wave 3 needs to minimally reach 36.46. Better would be 37.35. Then we need to see a wave 4 and a wave 5 to 38.90. That means, in summary, I need to see 5 waves up to at least $39. If I see 3 waves to $39, that's not going to be enough. So I think in the next update, we know a little bit more. That should give you an idea of what we need to see. Don't get me wrong, this is at the moment just tracking the waves. It's just analysis. Not every analysis not every chart structure warrants a trade. I don't see anything clear here at the moment. I think it's worth waiting for a bit of clarity. And yeah, what can I say? It's a bit of a pump, but that happens in every correction. It happened here as well. And in a diagonal to the downside, this could simply be a larger 4th wave, or it's turning into a B wave. Okay. But as I said, if we see 5 waves up, yeah, we can look at the next possible long trade setup. But at the moment, this is just simply, a bit of a green candle. And let's see how it's going to deal with the descending trend line. I would say probably tomorrow, maybe Monday, we know a little bit more. And then we have a better idea of the structure there to the upside. At the moment, I can tell you, this still looks corrective. Okay, that's my update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.